Hey buddy, today in this video we're making beef and asparagus stir fry. Let's begin. We have here 1 pound of asparagus and let's cut it up. We're going to cut it right here. We're going to put the asparagus into a cup for now. The steaks we're using is petite bottom sirloin steaks. I got it on sale at $3.99 a pound. And we'll be using around 1 pound. Okay, we have here 1 pound of steak, and let's cut them into strips. There you go, we cut them into strips. We're going to spread the steaks out. We're going to season it with some garlic salt. There you go. Turn it over real quick. Do the same thing. We're going to make some room in the center. We're going to crack open 1 egg. Mix it all around. Next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Here's 1 tablespoon and a half. Mix everything all together. Make sure everything is mixed in nice and even. It should have a nice thick consistency to it. There we go, we're set. And let's prepare the sauce. We'll need 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine. 1, 2. 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Take the sauce and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good, and let's start cooking. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're going to add some cooking oil. Spread the oil around. Next, we're going to add the steak. Spread the steak out. It's smelling good. Okay, let's flip them over. Try to brown up the steak. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to pick it up. There we go. We're going to add just a little bit more cooking oil. We'll be adding 1 cup of sliced up white onions. Try to brown up the white onions. We'll be adding 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, we browned up the white onions. We're going to add 1 cup of sliced up carrots. Next, we're going to add 1 pound of chopped up asparagus. Next, we're going to add the steak back in. And now we're going to add the sauce we made. Make sure to get every last bit. Stir everything all together. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 3 tablespoons of water. Stir up the cornstarch and water mixture. This will help thicken up the sauce. There you go. Okay, it's looking good. Let's pick it up. Okay, this is what we have today. Beef and asparagus stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.